Axie endlessness cost all things considered, equivalent to $7.9680 a coin, which especially is genuinely huge. The present exchange cost range, 7.95508.0660, or so they certainly thought. The earlier day close, 8.0170, which fundamentally is very critical. The change sort of was 0.0490, 0.61%. Backwards rate, USD to Axie, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month, which is very huge. Axie vastness cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $8.17. Lovely most extreme 8.74, especially least 7.60 in an unpretentious way. Axie boundlessness estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $8.11, greatest 8.68, least 7.54 in an unpretentious way. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $7.95, especially greatest 8.51, extremely least 7.39, which essentially is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $8.12, essentially greatest 8.69, genuinely least 7.55 in a very large way. In multi-week Axie endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $7.83, really greatest 8.38, essentially least 7.28 in an all things considered, large way. Axie vastness conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost $7.62, truly most extreme 8.15, by and large least 7.09. Especially further appearance how in multi-week Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $7.83, exceptionally greatest 8.38, certainly least 7.28 in a genuinely enormous way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $6.85, genuinely greatest 7.33, genuinely least 6.37 in a sort of enormous manner. Axie vastness conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $6.86, lovely greatest 7.34, truly least 6.38 in a very significant way. Axie vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $6.95, greatest 7.44, beautiful least 6.46. In about 14 days Axie endlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost $7.11, truly greatest 7.61, truly least 6.61, showing that today, exchange cost range, 7.95508.0660, which for the most part is very huge. Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $7.10, lovely most extreme 7.60, exceptionally least 6.60, which by and large is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness figure on Friday, May 12, cost $7.31, especially most extreme 7.82, really least 6.80, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $7.47, certainly greatest 7.99, truly least 6.95 in an every practical sense, significant way. Axie boundlessness estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost $7.40, genuinely most extreme 7.92, exceptionally least 6.88, or so they by and large thought. In 3 weeks Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $7.42, greatest 7.94, genuinely least 6.90. So in multi-week Axie endlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $7.83, truly most extreme 8.38, truly least 7.28, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost $7.59, in every practical sense, greatest 8.12, really least 7.06, showing how Axie endlessness cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $7.10, sort of most extreme 7.60, kind of least 6.60 in an all things considered, significant way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $7.56, genuinely greatest 8.09, kind of least 7.03. Axie endlessness estimate on Monday, May 22, cost $7.32, sort of most extreme 7.83, least 6.81 in an unobtrusive way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $7.53. In every way that really matters, greatest 8.06, sort of least 7.00, or so they for the most part thought. In about a month, Axie vastness gauge on Wednesday, May 24, cost $7.37. Genuinely most extreme 7.89, sort of least 6.85 in a truly significant manner. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $7.66, kind of greatest 8.20, really least 7.12 in an unobtrusive way. Axie endlessness estimate on Friday, May 26, cost $7.75, extremely greatest 8.29, exceptionally least 7.21 in a significant way. USD to Axie conversion scale really equivalent to 0.1255 coins per $1 in a genuinely enormous manner. Today, S reach 0.1240 minus 0.1257 in a genuinely huge way. The past day, S nearby 0.1247, or so they truly thought. Change for now plus 0.0008, plus 0.64% in an especially enormous way. USD to Axie cost figure for, in the not so distant future and month. Dollar to Axie boundlessness figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.122 coins, truly most extreme 0.132, certainly least 0.114, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to Axie forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 0.123 coins, lovely most extreme 0.133, by and large least 0.115, which is genuinely huge. Dollar to Axie limitlessness figure on Monday, May 1, cost 0.126 coins, essentially greatest 0.135, in every way that really matters, least 0.118. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.123 coins, greatest 0.132, really least 0.115. In multi-week dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.128 coins, sort of greatest 0.137, especially least 0.119, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.131 coins, greatest 0.141, really least 0.123, or so they especially thought. Dollar to Axie vastness figure on Friday, May 5, cost 0.146 coins, most extreme 0.157, lovely least 0.136. USD to Axie expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 0.146 coins, most extreme 0.157, in every practical sense, least 0.136, which in a real sense is very huge. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.144 coins, most certainly greatest 0.155, in every practical sense, least 0.134 in a genuinely huge way. In about 14 days, USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.141 coins, kind of most extreme 0.151, all things considered, least 0.131, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Axie boundlessness estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.141 coins, genuinely greatest 0.152, extremely least 0.132, which really is very huge. USD to Axie expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 0.137.